Startup failures. The four are incorrect BIOS settings. If the boot settings in the BIOS are misconfigured, the system might be attempted to boot from the wrong drive. Hardware failure. If anyone has recently worked inside the computer's case, you might want to begin by checking the hard drive's power and data connections. Missing startup files. If some of the required startup files are missing or damaged, the computer will fail to boot. Data corruption. Corrupted data on a disk drive can be the result of a hardware fault, environmental factors such as magnetic fields, or some form of malware. Okay, what comes to mind to usually fix the problem is to replace the hardware, but in many cases you can repair them using the specialized recovery tools provided with Windows Vista. So, I will talk about using Startup and Recovery Dialog Box. The box provides basic control that enables you to configure the Windows Vista startup process by modifying the BCD registry file. And the next part I'm going to mention is the step-by-step process to open up the recovery and dialog box. Step 1. Click Start and click Control Panel to System and Maintenance. To System, the System Control Panel will appear. Step 2. Click Advanced System Settings. After confirming your actions, in the System's Properties sheet appears. Step 3. Click on the Advanced tab. And step 4, in the status and recovery box, click Settings. The Startup and Recovery dialog box appears. In this dialog box, you can specify which operating system to load on a dual boot computer, and also specify how long the boot menu and a recovery option menu appear by default. You can also exercise control over the computer's logging behavior during the system. Okay, now I'll continue to square. Next, I will demonstrate the use of how to open up the startup and recovery dialog box on Windows 7. Step 1. Step 2. Then step 3. And finally, step 4.